Hey everyone, it's Vince here. Season 4 has arrived on ARC8, and on today's video, I'll be covering all the new features that it has brought us. I hope you enjoy. Let's kick this off. So I have been covering ARC8 for what feels like almost a year now, if I'm correct. This is a cryptocurrency earning application that allows you to earn GMEE tokens, and these GMEE tokens can be exchanged into real life money. If you want to know the real life value of one single GMEE token, at the time of this recording, it's about 1.4 cents. So now at least you have some sort of point of reference for when you see how many GMEE tokens you can earn by competing in Season 4 of ARC8. ARC8 has introduced two new different ways to earn on their application. One is a new game called Cube 2048. On this game, you have to merge the cubes together in a certain amount of time to try and reach the highest score. And if you did not know, in ARC8, you compete against other players in a 1v1 match or a tournament mode. The tournament mode usually has a massive prize pool of GMEE tokens that you can win by participating in it and obviously scoring a high score. Or when the season begins properly, you'll start to see that you can wager GMEE tokens against other players. If you've watched some of my previous ARC8 videos, you'll know exactly what I mean. But if you don't know, essentially you can gamble your GMEE tokens against other players in a 1v1 competitive match. So at the moment, we're actually in a pre-season. In this pre-season, you actually have the opportunity to win these GMEE tokens completely for free using practice tokens. With these practice tokens, you can play against players in a 1v1 match without the risk of losing GMEE tokens, or you can enter into tournaments for the many games that are available on ARC8 to win GMEE tokens completely for free. ARC8 is very competitive though, guys. You're going to be going up against people that love certain games and really start to become professionals on them. For instance, on Cube 2048, I was only able to achieve a score of around 330,000. And it took me a few hours to actually achieve this. I was surprised at how difficult Cube 2048 really was. But luckily enough for me, I was eventually able to win a few of the matches I competed in. If you guys have ever played one of those merged 2048 games, you'll be right at home with Cube 2048. Now on the flip side, there is a new NFT game called Energy Wars. Energy Wars allows me to verse other players' NFTs in a match 3 type of game. So whoever has the highest score after matching the symbols correctly that correspond with your NFT character at the time, you will then win the match. I have to say, Energy Wars is actually a really cool concept, and I'm very excited to see where they're going to go with NFTs on ARC8. Airdrops are now available on ARC8, and what this means is that every single week you have the chance to win up to 35,000 GMEE tokens, or at least a portion of them, by playing games within ARC8 to earn tickets. You need 1,000 tickets to enter into this giveaway, and every single week you'll have a chance to win. There are of course daily tasks as well, where if you complete these tasks, generally you'll be rewarded with a little fraction of GMEE tokens for free, or practice tokens. Plus, there is still the daily sign-in bonuses as well. There is also an invite a friend system on ARC8. The more people you invite, the more GMEE tokens you can generate. The invite a friend system is a little bit different to standard ones though. The people that you invite actually have to use the platform. So when they achieve the rank of silver on a certain game, you will then be rewarded with 1 free GMEE token. Now, if they achieve the rank of gold, you'll then earn 9 GMEE tokens completely for free. If you guys wish to join my team on ARC8, please join via my link in the description below. It does really help me, guys. Either way, Cube 2048 and Energy Wars were solid games. As I said, I'm super excited to see where this is going to go in the future. I thought I'd let you know what's going on, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for ARC8 for sponsoring today's video as well. I'll see you all tomorrow. Catch you next time.